Let's go. Big COBJ back at it again. I know it's been a minute, man, but look, y'all stay tuned. So as y'all know, I'm doing tutorials on haircuts, so I'm just giving him the first guideline. He's about to do a taper, no C-cup with enhancements. First guideline right there, as y'all can see. We getting straight to it. We ain't talking too much. Let's go. So as you see, I'm just showing him how to use the trimmers. He's combing everything down, making sure the canvas is ready. I'm doing a second guideline with my enhancement pencil just so he can see where we at with it. He's flicking out, doing piece by piece, lever fully open for those trying to know what's going on. I'm just showing him the correct placement on how to hold it and how to keep the clipper flat on his scalp as he flicks out. So as y'all see, I'm just guiding him, holding the mirror just so it can be easy for him. This is his first time doing his class with me. And I'm making it real simple, man. I'm just showing him how to flick out piece by piece so he can understand what's going on. So went ahead and got rid of that guideline. Now I'm doing another guideline. I know it's hard to see on camera, but I went ahead and made it like really light. Just showing him how to do it. So look, man, if y'all want to learn how to cut your hair, get with me, bro. I'll go ahead and show you piece by piece, step by step, one-on-one, how to slice like BJ. Like no other, man. As y'all see, he's doing it just how I showed him, just how I showed him the right way, how to go about stuff. Y'all stay tuned, bro. This cut is finna be crazy. My boy did exactly what I said. He went back and got that little corner right there, as you can see that he's missing, obviously. But I'm gonna go back and I ain't really thinking too much of it, but I'm just pointing it out to him so he can know what's going on. And so we can have, start to generate that barber's eye. So you see, he really didn't fully get out the way. We're gonna get that out the way. I'm not really too stressed about that because that's gonna be detail work. Now I'm just showing him to keep below that line so he can go ahead and balance everything out. I zoomed in so y'all can really see what's going on. I keep telling him about that corner, but he's not really thinking about it, so we're gonna eventually get it done. Once it's out the way, we're gonna be in there. So now this is where he struggles at, in this area right here that I keep pointing out. He actually leaves it alone, so it's a hard line right there. We do not want no hard lines. We do not want to see no guidelines at all. So he's using a 1.5 right there. As you see, he's fully scooping it out, making sure that none of that hair is right there, so it could be a very smooth transition. Transition is everything, y'all. Because other than that, it's gonna be real choppy. And who wants a choppy cut, man? Like, come on, bro. Now I'm just showing him how to go about it. You see, I'm just working with him just to give him pointers on how to go with the grain and against the grain. So I'm just showing him piece by piece, combing that hair, and giving him another guideline. Y'all see that line right there? Exactly what we working with. He's finna flick that out. Cause at first he was gonna leave it, but I was like, nah, I kind of like let it be so he can see. So I could see if he'll notice that line. He eventually did, so now we're just gonna go ahead and tack that line right there. That is visible. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can see it as a barber. So I'm just making it easy for him by holding the mirror as he flicks out. Tell him keeps combing his hair down just so he can see where he's working with, and then just go from there. He kept dropping his comb and guards, but we got it all together piece by piece. So now I'm just showing, basically what I'm doing is I'm exposing all the areas where he need to work on. Or go ahead and attack, so it'll be a very smooth transition. He's also gonna line himself up. Only thing I'm gonna do for him is do the enhancements. See, look, I can even cut that way. See, I just did the opposite direction just to show him. Always comb the hair down so you can see what you're working with. Mind you, he been cutting his hair, so we working with how he already cut his hair, but we're just making sure it's done the proper way now. As y'all can see, he's starting the other side. I'm not really gonna do no guidelines. I'm just gonna let him go about it. He remembers, so you can see how he was pointing it out. I showed him how to drape his own self. See how I'm able to cut that way too. Advanced skill level, man. Y'all get with the program. Stop playing, man. It's big CEO BJ. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj and bjs.cuts with 2 Z's. As y'all see, I'm just showing him everything. I showed him how to drape and put the neck strip. Obviously, it's slipping off. You know, it wasn't tight enough, but it is what it is. I'm just talking about it because it was all a learning experience for him. As you see, I'm showing him the guideline, letting him go piece by piece, and then we're going to do detailing on both sides. Very smooth. See how he's flicking out as much as possible. Make sure we don't have no guidelines that's showing. See, he's going with the grain as well, just like I showed him with the clippers. I don't know why he's holding his face like that, but it's all good. It's all a comfort level thing, I guess. When he asks me what do I see, I'll show him and I tell him. Watch how this turns out, bro. Y'all have to see this, bro. First time doing a class at my suite too. So as y'all see, he's using a 2-guard just to make sure any extra hair that he needs to debulk, as y'all can see. Very smooth though. He's definitely listening to everything I was saying. So it's really smooth transition and transaction, because I was definitely getting paid by the minute for these lessons. As y'all can see, I was just showing him how to go about it, how to come off the scalp. So now he's about to line himself up piece by piece, showing him how to do correct placement at the angle. Now he's doing it. He was nervous, as y'all can see. I just chopped up the video so y'all can see piece by piece, showing him how to hold it. Now he's using my trimmers, see how they hit him, just to show him the difference from professional grade trimmers and clippers compared to regular starters, which is cool. I just want to show him the difference. He could definitely see the power in them. They're different. See how he's lining himself up. I gave him the guideline with the enhancement pencil, just so he doesn't push himself back too far. Now I'm doing enhancements for him. I'm gonna let him line himself up one more time. He was nervous, but he didn't want to mess it up. But hey, it is what it is. Great experience for a first time cutting his hair. Very smooth transition and transaction. Like I said, he handled business how he needed to. He tipped me for my time, and we got it done, man. So like I said, if y'all want to learn how to cut hair, do a lesson or whatever, different techniques, let's go. See, he was satisfied. Very smooth. That's why I had to show y'all the whole process, how he did everything by himself, just like that. Let's go.